Hello, welcome back. Happy December. I can't believe it's December already, but it is. Christmas is just around the corner and I have a Black Friday Sephora haul. So I've got all these goodies in this box here. I picked up some really good deals actually, some bits that I've wanted for a while and I purposely waited. So the first thing I picked up was this Henriksen kit or set. And the reason I got the whole set was because the only thing I wanted was this. I have heard amazing things about the Banana Brightening Under Eye Cream and I went on the website just to look for that, which alone was like, I think 26, 28 pounds. And then I saw this whole set for 22 pounds. So you get a full-sized eye cream. And then there's also the Banana Bright Instant Glow Moisturiser there as well. There is, how much is in there? 35ml. Oh, that smells absolutely gorgeous. It smells really citrusy. I thought it might smell banana-y, but it doesn't. It smells really nice though. There's a lot of products in there. I don't know if that's full size. I doubt it. Not for that price. But yeah, there's a lot in there anyway. And then there's also a vitamin C serum, which again is a really decent size. There's 15ml in there. I use the Dematica one in the mornings and I believe you get 12ml in those, which is about a month's worth. So you should get about a month's worth out of that, which is really good. So yeah, if you're, you know, looking for this, I would definitely say buy this instead and get the extras 100%, or, you know, as a gift for Christmas. £22.50, sorry, not 22, but still a bargain. And then I got a couple of bits from Curel because I've been really struggling with dry skin lately, like especially around here, which is under control now, but I have been using these for a few days and I do believe that these have helped. So I got this one here, which is the Hydrating Water Essence. This is a Japanese skincare brand and this one was £14, which isn't bad at all, is it? So you get, again, a decent amount of product. There's 150ml in here and it's like a pump. So you pump out, I think it says 4 to 5 squirts of the product, although I tend to do about 7 because, as I say, I have got very dry skin and it just goes, soaks it up. But it leaves the most gorgeous glow on your skin afterwards as well. I really like this product as a toner. It is beautiful. And then I got the moisturiser as well. So this is the Hydrating Intense Moisturiser. Let's show you the English way around. There. And there is 40 grams in here. So again, you know, a good amount of product in there. The packaging is a bit cheap, to be honest with you. It's just plastic, but you know, that's not so bad. This cost £18. But yeah, it's really lightweight. I have found it's, you know, it doesn't feel too rich or anything. So really nice for the morning skincare routine. Again, it just kind of like, it feels really nice. It's almost a bit kind of watery. You know, when you get water creams and you put them on, as you start to rub them in, they feel almost serum-like. That's what this one's like. And then I haven't picked this up for ages, but I do really love it. I forgot all about it, to be honest. So I got the Glow Recipe Toner. So this one is the Watermelon Glow Pore Tight, PHA BHA Pore Tight Toner. It smells so good. If you haven't tried this, which, to be honest, if you're a skincare junkie like me, then you probably have. It smells just like, you know, like fake watermelon smell. It is beautiful and I love the glass bottles on these as well. They look so nice, you know, on your dressing table. I love the Glow Recipe packaging. But yeah, this one is the 150ml sized one, so the full size one, and it was £23.92. And also from Glow Recipe, I've never tried this before, but I thought I'd give it a go. I got the Watermelon Glow AHA night treatment as well. I thought, you know, an overnight kind of exfoliation treatment might help. Yeah, and I've not sniffed it, but I can imagine it smells the same as that toner, which I just love it. And look, the packaging is so cute, isn't it? I just love this. It's quite weighty as well. There is 60ml in here. There's loads of product in there. This was £27.38. Oh no, it doesn't actually smell the same at all. It smells quite sweet. It smells nice though. It's very liquidy, like very liquidy. But yeah, I find that these kind of overnight sort of treatments are. I love an overnight mask. I tend to do them about once a week actually. They're really good. So yeah, I picked that up as well. So I'm really excited to try that. Then I got a couple of bits from Byoma. So one being this here. I love this product. It is so good. When I say like if you've got dry skin patches, you know, your skin barrier needs a bit of repair, this is a brilliant product and it's really quite affordable as well. So this one cost me $16.99 and this is the barrier repair treatment. It is such a beautiful product. It really is. The texture of this is really nice as well. I would say it's a bit more on the richer side, but yeah, if you've got dry skin, it will absolutely love this. And then the same goes for this product here, which is the Hydrating Recovery Oil. I tend to use this one at night, or if my skin is particularly dry, like, you know, my makeup's not sitting right, I do like to pop it underneath my makeup sometimes as well, like just in the areas that need it. But this is absolutely beautiful, a really nice oil. And this one has squalane, jojoba oil and sea blackthorn oil in it as well. Another really good one for barrier repair, and it's a really good price, this one as well. I do find a lot of the Byoma products are really good prices, but this one is $13.99. Fantastic. And then I got this. So this is the Kopari Sunglaze Sheer Body Mist. I've wanted to try this for so long. It was no, not 26, 36 pounds. So it is a little bit more pricey, but I've heard such good things about it. And it's got a, let me shake it. And there we go. Can you see that now? It's like all like shimmery. Yeah, it's not coming across on camera at all, is it? Because it's quite kind of cloudy as well. There we go, it's settling a bit now. But yeah, it's got these kind of like gold shimmer particles in it. It is so nice. It smells really good as well. Yeah, this one has SPF 30 in it. It says broad spectrum, UVA, UVB, 80-minute sweat and water resistant. So yeah, I mean, I know I'm not going to be putting loads of SPF on my body at the moment. You know, it's completely covered up most of the time. But yeah, I thought I'd get it, you know, while I was ordering loads of other stuff. But yeah, I cannot wait to try this when it gets a bit warmer. Then I got a few bits from the new kind of Huda range, or Huda. So I got the Easy Blur foundation. So this one I picked up in 200B shortbread, natural airbrush foundation. That's all it says. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this actually. Yeah, I've heard really good things about this. Literally, you know, everyone said how amazing it is. So I'm really excited to try it. I might even have the video up already for this by the time I post this video. Yeah, so it's this one here. The shade actually looks pretty good for me, to be honest. It's got 1.5% niacinamide in it as well. And this was £32. Then I also picked up one of the new blushes. So these are the blush filters. In Strawberry Cream. Let's have a look at the shade. Yeah, again, I think what I'm going to do is put these all into like a little Huda testing video. I'll link it above if it is up already. But yeah, the packaging's so cute. Look at that doe foot. It's like a little hourglass. That is really cute. So, oh, that is slightly more mauve than I was expecting, to be honest. I thought it was going to be more of a pink. Still looks really nice though. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this as well. And this one was £24. And I also picked up this. So this is the Icy Nude face gloss. They did have the palette as well, which I was quite tempted to buy, but I thought no, I've spent enough. So I didn't bother with that. But it looks like this. Look at that. It's like odd. There's been so much controversy on the internet over these. People saying they're mouldy. And yeah, that it looks like a Petri dish, which to be fair, it kind of does. But I think it's supposed to look, well, it's called frostbite. So it's supposed to look like frostbite spores. But yeah, I mean, I think it's quite cool, to be honest with you. I'm looking forward to trying it. But yeah, so I got that as well. How much was that? £28. That's quite expensive, isn't it? I'm not sure how to use it. I don't know if I'm going to use it as a blush or a highlight. It does say highlight on it, but we will see. Then I also picked up another one of these. I've been using this now for probably about 6 months. It is such a nice product. I originally got this in a Look Fantastic like bundle with Lorna Luxe, and absolutely love it. It is such a beautiful product, but I saw it on Sephora, so I picked up a new one of these as well. So this is the Tan Luxe Super Glow Hyaluronic Acid Self Tan Serum. That's a mouthful, and you get 30 ml in there, but 30 ml goes a very long way. As I say, I've been using it now for about 6 months, and the last one that I had, I literally ran out last week, so that's how long it lasts. Yeah, it's really nice as well. It doesn't like clog your pores. It's just a really nice skincare product, as well as giving you a kind of a subtle tan at the same time. And it's clear, and that was £36. And then very lastly, I had to buy this because I think I've got absolutely every product in this range now, but this is the Ouai anti-frizz cream. I love these products so much. They have done wonders for my hair. In my styling, I use a different shampoo and conditioner, but when it comes to styling, these are absolutely amazing. I absolutely love the hair gloss. It is the best hair gloss ever. If you want to try a hair gloss, I would definitely say try the Ouai one, because honestly, I've tried quite a few, and that is by far like more superior to any others that I've tried. It is quite pricey, but it's worth it. And also I use the spray conditioner, like the leave-in conditioner as well. Love that as well, and they smell so good. They really do. Yeah, that one cost me £26. I've just noticed they've got a hair oil. I haven't tried that. But yeah, I need to try that actually. Once I've got the Gizzy one at the moment. Once that's up, like once that's empty, I might try that one. But yeah, really good products. Like all of the Ouai products that I've tried, love them. So there we go. There is my Sephora haul from Black Friday. Yeah, I know I got quite a lot, but as I said, I was kind of like saving myself for it. So as always, I will link all the products shown in today's video in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes if I can find any as well. I'm not sure if I'll be able to, but I'll try. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It means the absolute world to me. If you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching.